All right, sorry about that. Welcome to the mini Thunderdome. Today is September 19th, 2022. If you're new to this channel, we stream live ES and MES trades. If you do follow any of my trades, you're doing so at your own risk. I'm not liable for any losses or damages. So I think we will be able to trade all week, but I think I'm going to go and buy a new computer anyways because I'm still having some issues. But I hope somebody watched my videos, my quick little video on Friday. I did give out some great numbers. Support and resistance was spot on. Tug of war line was spot on. All of the targets between 3850 and 3900 were spot on. So hopefully somebody got those. All right. Good morning to everyone. All right. Let's take a look at. So POC has moved. It was at 3855 and now it moved a few points up. Not much, but it moved again. Now it's at 62 and a quarter. Okay. Short targets 38.43, 38.39, 38.32, 38.19, 37.93, 37.86, 37.75, and then long shot if it can make it all the way down 37.27. On the long side, we got 38.76. Then we have 38.83, 38.93, 39.03, 39.16, 39.35, 39.48, 39.70, and then long shot 39.90. Resistance is at 3900 and support. Oh, I put and also 39.50, and then support is at 3800. All right, let's look at some scenarios real quick. Where is that? Okay, so tug of war line, if we could pass 38.29, I think that we'll go all the way down to 3,800. If we could pass 3,900, then we may see the market go all the way up as maybe to 39.48. So let's see what happens. I think that the market is going to stay flat. It's going to be a sideways day, a day in balance, even though we're out of balance. I think it's going to be in balance. I think that we will see scenario one. It's been trying to make new lows, so I think that we'll probably go down to Friday's low and then just rise up. So scenario one, or it could just out of the gate just go. So we're opening up with a gap to the upside, so a big chance that we might see half a gap. I don't know, we'll see a full gap. We still have the gap from Friday, which wasn't closed. It almost closed, but it did not close. And then scenario three, just keep going down out of the gate, just keep dropping. So first obstacle would obviously be Friday's low and then the overnight low, and then we may see a 20 or even a 3,800. And then scenario four, just sideways. We have FOMC on Friday, so I think that the market is going to wait to make new lows. I do not think that it will go for a new low today or even try to pass 3,800. I think that's all for Friday. It's going to depend on the Fed. I've been hearing some news that he's going to do a 100 point to try to fix the CPI, but I don't know. It's election month, so I talked about this last week. I think the Dems want to do as much as they can, so it looks good for the election, so they'll be buying strong, but I guess everybody's gonna wait on the Fed. All right, I got nothing else. Again, I will not be monitoring the chat while I'm on a trade, so if you have any question, just go and save it for later, or I'll try to check on the chat as soon as I am done. Friday, it's Wednesday. It's always the third Thursday of every month. So FOMC is always the third Thursday of every month. I mean, Wednesday, third Wednesday of every month. All right, that's it. That's all I have. I'm gonna open up in 5 minutes. I'm gonna go and take a little break here, and I'll be back right before the bell opens up. All right, guys, thank you. All right. Good morning. Good morning, everyone. Okay. Hey, Google, turn off the light. So we have no reports that we have to worry about this morning. So that's fantastic. All right, POC starting to lower. It was at 63, now it's at 57. Let me know if the sound is okay. I had to redo my Streamlabs. Had to redo everything. Woke up with a cold and then turn on the computer and everything is all. I mean, am I the only one that has these issues of sometimes you turn on stuff and everything's gone? It drives me crazy. But I'm looking to build my first computer, so let's see how that's gonna go. It should be fun. All right, here we go, guys. Best of luck to everybody. All right. So we already hit the... Oh. I'm going to go long right here. I'm going to go long real quick. Let's see. If it's going to go, it's going to go. Let's see how it reacts at the overnight POC. I'm sorry, the VPOC. Here we go, baby. Here we go. It could stop at 60. It could stop at 60. Go, go, go. Ooh. It could all stop at 60. Just looking for a little 9-pointer. Get my feet wet here. Have some chips to play with. Come on. Here we go. Here we go. Keep going. Keep going. All right, stop at entry. Yes, yes! All right. $1,000 out of the gate. Combined. Yes! That's how we do it. $1,000 out of the gate. If it coils up here, it's going to go longer. So this could be another entry right here. I'm probably seeing a test of the mid, but we never know. We never know. It may go to 69. This could be another entry. I'm going to wait. But this could just explode up right here. So this could be another entry. I'm going to wait. So it can go all the way to 76. Or it could come down and test the mid. I may look for another entry here at 60. A lot of interest at 70. It's being blocked. It may not go. It may not go. All right, let's try it again. 73. Opening price of Friday. Oh. All right, I'm going to give myself a little more room here, but it's got to break 70. I don't think it's going to go. I do not think it's going to go. And I don't want to give... I am tempted to move this. All right, I'm going to give myself a little room here. Horrible risk versus reward, so I'm going to have to raise my risk. I mean, my target, but I think I'm out of luck here. Let's see. Oh, it keeps getting blocked. Okay, why isn't... Oh, I got to turn my squawk box on. Yeah, I think I'm in trouble, guys. I think this trade is going to crash. Keeps getting blocked, as we see it right there. Going against the grain, but Delta is trying to change. It's negative 1,700. Oh man, I am not happy with this trade. To be safe, I need to be under. All right, I am not going to risk 62.50. I'm going to go and move it to 60. If I get stopped out, I'll just jump back in. But big chance that it's going to stop me out. We have POC move down a little more. So now it's at 54.25. We got VWAP at 60. So I think it's going to come down and test VWAP. I'm just going to give half of my profits back. I'm not going to risk it. Oh, POC just moved up. Nice. So they're starting to buy up here. They're trying to take this market up. But it may... All right, I'm going to take a risk now then. All right, taking a risk. It may want to visit 60, so there may be an adding opportunity. There may be an adding opportunity at the mid. So I may add right here. See how it reacts. Unless it just explodes up. Now we have 347 orders waiting at 70. Come on, go, go, go. Hot knife right through 70. Let's go. Yeah, here comes the challenge. Delta's dropping again. All right, if you're new to the channel, I do not monitor the chat while I'm on a trade. If you have any questions, you're going to have to wait until I'm out of my trade. Or unless someone can help you out. All right, lowered a little bit on the POC. We lowered 3/4 of a point. So now we are at, what is that? 64.75. Come on, here we go, here we go. They're starting to buy again. Yes! All right. Need to hot knife right through 70. This could be an adding opportunity. I am not going to. Okay, it could all end at the overnight value area. But I think 83 is a good target. I think 83 is a good target. So no icebergs, no sweeps, no absorptions at 70, just a straight old stop. That's good news. That's good news. So market is negative 30. So even if we go to 3,900, market will still be negative. So 3,900 is a good target. I may raise this to 94. I wish I had more in this, and I would split it with the closing. All right, I'm going to raise this to 86. 86. We're starting to close the gap. Now they just added a roadblock at 75. 200. It was 230. Now they're starting to pull. All right, hot knife. Come on. This could be an entry opportunity. If you didn't get in here, this could be another entry opportunity right here. Starting to coil. There we go. First target hit. Boom, out of the way. They could all drop from here or from 80. So there may be a pullback. We have a towel right here. There could be a pullback right here. They're starting to add at 78. Guys, if I reach target, I am done for the day. I am not going to trade. I think it's going to drop and it's going to go sideways. So if you haven't made any money, I would be careful, because I think all we're going to get is this spurt right here and then boom, all the way down. I'll be happy with what I can get here. Ooh, little challenge here. We're positive on the delta, guys. This is great news. We went from negative delta to positive delta. We just need to pass is that 80. We pass that 80, I think we're going to be home free. I am tempted to bring my stop to entry. or at least get out on the ES. I'll be positive 1800. Come on, break right through. Come on, hot knife, hot knife. Hot knife, let's go. So every step of the way, challenge. They're not giving it up easy. Okay, here we go. Little pullback. So Friday's high is very weak on a TPO, has no tail, no extension. That is weak. Also to the downside though. So we have a high of 99. So we have already reached the first stat, which was VPOC. Now we're looking for the second stat, which will be make a new high or a new low. I doubt we'll make a new high, but hey, never know. You never know. You never know. All right, come on. Hot knife right through 80. Right through 80. We do not want any absorptions, any sweeps, or except for a buy sweep, and no icebergs at 80. Almost up 2,000 on my ES. Oh, they sold it right before it hit 80, huh? This could be an adding opportunity right here. Anywhere here, this could be an adding opportunity. I'm not going to. Actually, I'm going to move my stop to entry. Do not want to get back any of this money. All right, we're getting challenged here. So even though there's interest at a handle, sometimes that is a block. You know, so you never know, but usually when there's an order above the market, usually is a sell, but you never know. It could be an entry. So sometimes the market gets scared because it could be a sell order. But you never know. You never know. I think it's too early to see a challenge to the mid. But it could happen. There's a big old zipper right here.
Just a quick spot check across markets after cash equity open. Futures, they are actually off the lows, but still low on the session. Down by about 0.4% or so across major indices. So look at some of the sectors today, again quite mixed, but do have some underperformance in healthcare, real estate and energy. On the upside, so consumer discretionary, industrials and consumer staples, and the relative outperformers. Looking at the crude space as well, that's also off lows, those appear to be trading in line with risk, having selling off heavily throughout the morning, and still down about $1.60 or so for WTI, $1.40 for Brent, but nonetheless we are off the lows, the sort of bounce off the $82 a barrel level earlier in the session in WTI. Meanwhile, fixed income yields are firm across the curve. The curve is flattening today. A lot of attention on that 10-year yield, which is hovering around 3.5%, with yields around cycle highs as we currently stand. It's quite quiet today on the account of UK bank holiday. Again, nonetheless, in about 10 minutes' time, some more US data we are keeping an eye on. The US and AHB housing market index expected at 47, basically from 49. That's in about 12 minutes' time.
73 looks like a stop pick. They're looking for fuel, it looks like. And this is why you should never over leverage yourself, because if I would have gone long here, I would have moved my stop. But if you're a beginner, never move your stop. You need to get used to losses. But if you're an advanced or intermediate trader, don't over leverage, so you have room to hide behind shadows. You always want to, the purpose of a stop is to make it hard to be hit. So it's not where you get in, it's where you get out. So sometimes, hey, I make mistakes of getting in the wrong spot. So I have to do some stop management. But if I'm over leveraged, obviously I can't. So that's why you should never, especially if you are on a valuation. If you haven't watched my video on Apex, you should. It's not the size of your account, it's the size of risk that you have. That is the actual account that you have. The size of your account is just margin leverage. That's all it is. So if you got a 50,000 account, you do not have 50,000. I believe that is what? That's 1,500? I'm not sure. Or 2,700. Maybe, I don't recall, but. All right, come on. Let's go. Almost done here with the first half of IB. Got to pass 80. That's a nice little towel. I called that one. But it looks like it's starting to weaken up. This could be an add right here or go long from here. Not a recommendation, just an observation. Because if it's coiling up here, if this was a stop pick, this is going to go straight to target. Straight to target. Let's see how it deals with 80. Yes! Yes! Here we go. All right, let's see how it reacts with our first target here at 84. Alrighty, up already, almost 2,600. Oh, it didn't like it. Okay, we need to, it cannot start dropping. It needs to do another full rotation up. If it starts to drop here, this could be, we may see a correction here. But this is a weak low, a weak high. Either way, this is a weak high. Either way, this is going to have to be corrected, but we may find sellers up here. Come on, keep going, keep going. Delta already almost 2,800 positive. They're trying to sell, they're trying to sell. Need a full rotation up. Go, 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 go. Come on, get me out of here. All right, 86 actually. I want to be at 86. I'm not going to be greedy. I need to make up for not having much profits last week. Had to chase my losses from my ETH on Friday and Thursday, which I made it back. All good. Come on, come on, get me out of here. Get me out. A lot of interest at 85. I'm going to get out at 85. 85. 85. Oh, is it too late? I think it's too late. Oh. I think this might be too late here. Or maybe not. Come on, one last push. Get me out. Get me out. Yes, yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes. Woohoo! 3,200. Half, what? 25 minutes, 3,200 bucks. Yes. I am done. That's how you do it. Drive, drive, drive. Woo! Yes. Look at the chat here. All right. Friday. Sounds good. Boom. Excellent. What a start. Thank you. Hello. I have questions. Can you please tell me if you use tick change or range? I'm using a 4 range, a 6 range, a 12 range, and a 24 when I'm not streaming now. I'm having some issues with my computer. What else? Good morning. Good morning. Why do you trade both? Yes. Go watch some videos. Go watch some videos and you'll, well, I'll tell you. I only trade ES, but because of streaming, I started to trade MES also, so I could show people that you can't pass an evaluation. So just because of streaming, I'm taking double risk here, which is not bad because now I'm up 3,200. Plus ES, I've been starting to like it because sometimes I can trade a point and a half. I mean, a contract and a half instead of 2, or sometimes I could trade half a contract. So I'm actually now happy with trading both because sometimes the market is crazy and I don't feel like going all the way in. So I'm actually been enjoying trading MES. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you, guys. Thank you. I hope you guys made some money with me. All right. Hold to target. I am done. I am done. But I definitely see it going up to our least the high of Friday, if not 3,900. But again, the market is going to go sideways. Okay. So be careful, be careful, be careful. Do not think that today they're saving the big moves for Wednesday. Okay. So it could stop right here at Friday's open or Friday's high. Okay. All right, guys, I am done. Yes. Yes. Thank you. Please hit the like button if you learned anything, if you made some money. That's all I ask. You don't have to subscribe. Just help other traders so they can find me. Fantastic start. All right. Just got over being sick, but airborne. Oh my God. I swear by airborne. If you do not take that that supplement, start taking airborne. That will reduce how long you get sick and how sick you get. But as soon as I'm about 90% better, as soon as I'm 100, I'm going to go and take the flu shot. I never used to take the flu shot, but when I lived in Hawaii, I started to go and take the flu shot, and I actually enjoyed it. So yeah, only started to take it in my late 40s and had no issues with it so far. All right, guys, I'm done. I got nothing else. Go and scroll up. Look at my targets. Remember that we do have resistance at 3,900. Is that what it is? Pretty sure that's it. Resistance at 3,900 and 3,950. Again, if we need to go and pass that tug of war line, which is 3,900, we could pass that, then we may see that 3,950, but I doubt it. I doubt it. But either way, be careful. All right, guys, thank you. I'll see you live in the Thunderdome.